Hello and good day, dear students. Thank you very much for joining me in today's session. My name is Hameed Asghar, and on behalf of Institute of Freelancing on Facebook as well as on YouTube, plus 75,000 followers, I welcome you all in our today's cast. The sequence of the lecture with the name of Freelancing Your Future Career, we are providing variety of trainings that includes graphics, that includes designing related, that includes technology related trainings, and after completion of those trainings, those skills-based programs, you are joining different type of freelancing websites and you are trying to earn the handsome amounts using those skills which you are getting. And today there's another very important cost, that how to make money online or simply पैसा कमाने का एक और आसान तरीका जो कि मैं आज आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ. And that starts with the resume writing. Resume writing includes resume designing plus resume for jobs, and totally free of cost, a professional type of resume. Do it for yourself, Apna CV bhi banaye, and after completion of your own CVs, getting some more advanced skills, sell these skills online using Fiverr.com as well as Upwork.com. Those two different websites, दुनिया के सबसे बड़े platforms using which you can sell this skill to different online vendors. So let me switch from here to Fiverr.com first, and let me show you. Prior to reaching that, we are providing different type of trainings that includes the graphics design, in which we have showed you that the logo designing, brand identity designing, and all those different type of trainings we have already provided. If you haven't gone through that, I would strongly urge that you should join us and take those trainings. Apart from this digital training, you can sell the services of writing and translation, videos and animations, and there's a lot of long list available. But today, the most important thing is the trending topics which Fiverr in fact shows you based upon their data. So the main or the most projects which are coming for NFT arts, and we already discussed these topics into our Photoshop as well as to Adobe Illustrator trainings. And I strongly recommend that these type of skills-based training, character development, character animation trainings, you must take those trainings, very basic type of initial things, and you can sell this skill online. And apart from this, the data architectural, interior design, dropshipping, game development, and discard services. But the most important is the resume writing. Let me click on this resume writing and let me show you that what exactly those different type of skills people are offering. So just to give you an example, let me take up this one gig. She is providing professional write your I'll professionally write your CV, resume, and cover letters. And so far she has done almost around 200 jobs at the cost of 6,000 rupees. So if we multiply this with this, which comes to 1.2 million rupees, so that is something which you can do it very easily. And if you go through the local sellers, you can find out different type of list, and you can find out how many projects they have done. These 200, 113, 70, 227. There is a long list, and there is a very good opportunity that you can also become a part of this community or this skill-based service provider. So that is something. How can you start developing the professional resume writing? The top website for this type of selling services is the canva.com. But before we move to Canva, I would also recommend you to join upwork.com. And from upwork.com, you can multi-million type of options that are available. You can write down any type of sales and you get the projects list there. For example, if you just simply click on resume writing, you will find out different type of projects under this category. and write my resume, and the hourly rate is approximately 25 to $75 per hour. And look at this, look at these type of different type of projects: write pitch for the business plan, and resume writer with experience working in the contract research, this, and operation and maintenance manual writer, and review and English CV. And there is a long list of projects under this category, and you can also be a part of this category. So coming back to the main category, and that coming back to the main websites from where you can start developing this, and that is the canva.com. Canva.com is yet another a very classic example of creative graphic designers who wants to develop any type of graphic services, any type of skills-based training. There are preset templates available. You can simply log in using your email address, and after creation of your account, you can start developing your professional CVs. And apart from this professional, there is a lot of services which are already available. But to give you one example, there is a plan and pricing that is available. And if you go to compare the pricing, it actually gives you an idea that $55 approximately per year is the cost for the professional, whereas the free services is totally free available. But that doesn't include, this free service doesn't include the professional CVs or different type of CVs, which are the paid versions. So in the next video, I'll be explaining that how can you become the Canva Pro totally free of cost. So that will be next video. For the time being, we are going to show you that how can how can you start doing this type of resume creating services. So let me click on the resume from the first link, and that is the design spotlights. In the office section at the bottom, there is a resumes that are available, and you can simply go and find out different type of designing services which are available there. And if you are interested to create your own, simply go and browse different type of templates or create your own resume, right? So let me show you first the templates which are available there. And you can simply click on any. For example, let me click on this first one, and it shows you a preview, and it asks you to customize this template. If you are interested, it is 100% fully customizable. Edit and download available. This option is also available, and the sharing option is also available for your client also. So let me click on customize this template, and it will directly jump to the new page, which is in fact the editable page. Let me zoom in a little bit more so that you can simply review the any type of editable options. Simply double click on this and change it with your name, and that's how actually in fact it starts. If you're a web developer, if you're a graphic designer, or whatever the client actually tells you, that is something you have to simply put in here. And after completion of this, you can see that every editable option that is available. If you are not interested in this template, simply go and click any other. For example, click on this. Either you want to add this template as a new page, or you want to replace the current page. So simply click on this, click on this, and here we go. The new template that is available for you. Simply go and either you can edit anything, you can simply drag, you can simply crop, flip, edit image, whatever you are interested in, you can simply do this type of services with it, right? So text is editable, pictures are editable, and these type of basic shapes that are under the element sections are available. If you are interested in going with the same, you are all set. If you are interested to delete this, simply with the help of keyboard, simply delete this, and let's draw, or let's line this shape by yourself. Let me go and show you that how can you simply drag this. For example, let me draw this here somewhere, and that is another simple. Let me right click and send to back. Here we go. And that is how you can simply drag and drop with the help of this. Simply let me delete this one, and every option, every text with the double click, that is available for you to edit. Eventually what you can do is you can from clicking here, you can either download or you can share with your team also. Let me click on the download. There are multiple options for you to download this editable CV. Is this CV which you have, resume which you have created, either in form of JPG. If you are sending it to the client for the first time approval, you can send the JPG, PNG format, but mainly it in fact the PDF format, flattened PDF, and you can simply click on the download, and here we go. The editable version is available for you, for yourself, or for your client. You can simply click here, and here is the CV which you have created. So whatever the type of changes which you are interested in, you can simply drag them, edit them, and show with your clients, and that is how you can start earning online. Eventually, let's move to the upwork.coms. That is something which is demanded by the client, and that is something demanded by the Fiverr, the gigs which you have to create. So simply create your own gigs. So that is the most simplest way of creating or make money online. And I would strongly recommend and urge all of those who are interested in earning online. That is the most simplest method which I want you to start earning online. So thank you very much, dear students, for joining me in today's session. Hope to speak to you soon again, and with a different type of variety of trainings I'm coming up gradually. I need your help. I need your support in liking, in sharing, and commenting on this video. So thank you very much for your time. Indeed, it's a pleasure talking. Hope to see you soon again in the next topic. And until then, take very good care of yourself, and bye-bye.